Hello, my dear friends, how are you all? Let's make crepe paper flowers, and it is the best idea to decorate your home, decorate your room. So, let's make it. The things you will need, I will tell you. You will need a blue crepe paper like this, and you will need a wooden stick. You can take any wooden stick or any stick you can make a paper stick as well. So here I'm taking wooden stick and a crepe paper strip like this, and we have to cut it like this. You have to cut this crepe paper in strips form and in more than half portion. You will keep cutting, so you will cut it in this strip form, and later on you will turn it upside, and you will need this wooden stick, and you will need a hot glue. So apply hot glue on the wooden stick, and you will wrap around all this blue strip along with this wooden stick. So you will keep wrapping. You will need hot glue after wrapping some of the portion of this strip. Then again you will wrap, then again you will apply the hot glue. So hot glue is also very helping because it really stick very well. And maybe you will need one more strip like this because we have to make a big flower. So after wrapping all this, we will make one more strip the same way as we have made this blue strip by cutting with scissors. So keep wrapping and keep pasting hot glue. After finishing this strip, I will also need one more strip, and I will also paste it the same way. And I hope you get the idea how to make this beautiful flower with crepe paper. So let's take another strip and keep wrapping it the same way. When your second strip will be finished, it will be very easy for you to wrap the green paper in the down portion. So let's finish wrapping this. Now I'm taking a green paper, and it is a strip of the green paper, and I'll wrap it around like this, and I will also need a hot glue, and I'll just keep wrapping the green paper like this. So it will give a very cute and natural look of the green color. Later on we have to make two cute leaves with the help of same green paper. First I will finish this by adding this green paper, a small size, and trying to paste it with the help of hot glue. So the blue one is ready, and I will also make the pink one, pink flower. So please watch my complete video and please subscribe the channel. The second flower is also ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.